Hey guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise and hope you all would be doing great. So as we step into the wonderful month of September, it is time to sow some fantastic vegetable seeds that will keep your garden thriving. So in today's video, we'll be exploring the top vegetable seeds you can sow in September to ensure a bountiful harvest later in the season. So let's get your hands dirty and dive right in. Before going further, a small request to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification about my new videos. First up, we have the all-time favorite tomatoes. Whether you prefer juicy or sweet cherry tomatoes, September is the perfect time to sow their seeds. Choose from a wide variety of heirlooms or hybrid tomato seeds and watch them grow. Next, let's talk about cucumbers. These versatile veggies are a must-have in any garden. Sow cucumber seeds in well-draining soil, provide them with adequate support, and you'll be enjoying fresh cucumbers in no time. For those who love salads, lettuce is an excellent addition. Sow lettuce seeds in September and you'll have a continuous supply of fresh, crisp leaves for your salads throughout the coming season. Sowing carrot seeds in September allows them to mature during the cooler months, enhancing their flavors. Remember to loosen the soil deeply for these root veggies to grow straight and delicious. If you are looking for quick growing veggies, radishes are the way to go. Sow radish seeds in September and within a few weeks you will be pulling out these colorful spicy delights from the ground. Spinach, the nutrient packed leafy greens, is perfect for planting in September. Sow spinach seeds and you'll have a continuous supply of tender leaves for salads, saute and smoothies. For all the broccoli lovers out there, it's time to sow these seeds in September. Broccoli thrives in cooler temperature and matures beautifully during coming season. Next on our list is cauliflower. September is the ideal time to sow cauliflower seeds and trust me, you'll be rewarded with delicious and nutritious florets in the near future. Just imagine the satisfaction of growing your own cauliflower dishes. Peas, the delightful pot of choice. These little green wonders adore the cooler weather of September. By sowing pea seeds now, you are giving yourself the gift of sweet and tender peas that can elevate your dishes to a whole new level. If you are feeling adventurous, why not try Chinese cabbage? This leafy delight adds a unique twist to your garden. Sow its seeds in September and you'll have crisp, crunchy leaves that are perfect for stir fries, salads or even kimchi. The classic cabbage. Sow cabbage seeds in September and watch as they develop into dense head. They are very delicious. For an infusion of bold flavors, let's talk about fenugreek. These aromatic leaves are a staple in many cuisines. Sow fenugreek seeds in September and you'll have your own fresh supply of these flavorable greens in no time. Coriander, the aromatic herb loved around the world. Sow coriander seeds in September and you'll have a continuous supply of these zesty leaves for garnishing curries, salads and soups. The vibrant beetroot. Sow beetroot seeds in September and you will soon be harvesting these earthy delights. From roasted beetroot salads to vibrant smoothies, the possibilities are endless. And there you have it, a selection of fantastic vegetable seeds to sow in September. With a little love, care and some green thumbs, your garden will be flourishing with fresh and flavorable veggies in the coming months. I hope you must have enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button, share this video to as many people as you can with. Do write your comments if you have any. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.